Welcome to the introduction for SED 390, Assessment 2 Instruction. As in all courses, there are three components that make up your grade for SED 390. Those key assignments are the evidence-based practice, which is the essential application in SED 390 and makes up 40% of your grade. There are also instructional plans that comprise 30% of your grade, and ongoing planning that comprises the other 30% of your grade. The evidence-based practice is the essential application in SED 390. With this essential application, you will choose one focus learner in your classroom. You will complete the ISIL and RIOT matrix on your learner. Once you have done some research and you've gotten to know your learner a little bit more and you've narrowed down the focus of whether this is going to be an academic or a behavioral area of concern, you will identify an intervention and discuss this with me at your pre-plan meeting. Once your intervention has been approved, you will implement that intervention for about 4 or 5 weeks with your learner. Once the 4 to 5 weeks is up, you will analyze the data and discuss your analysis and next steps in the commentary. The next piece of your grade are instructional plans, and those make up 30% of your SED 390 grade. The first piece of this 30% component that will be submitted is the ISO, the Initial Structured Observation. In this, you will observe your cooperating teacher teaching the first content area that you are taking over. You will reflect on some of the decision making that your CT made and some of the components of the lessons. The other two pieces of this 30% are full instructional plans that you will be submitting along with the data that you have collected as you taught those plans. The last piece of the SED 390 grade is ongoing planning. You will be writing concise plans on a daily basis for content areas 1 and 2. You will also be submitting data on a daily basis for those plans. You will be reflecting weekly with your CT weekly reactions, and you will also be tagging your Mosaic plan, your Mosaic lessons that you record and upload for your supervisor. Every couple of weeks, your supervisor will be taking note and grading your ongoing planning, making sure that you are planned 2 plans in advance, making sure that you are submitting daily data, making sure that you are completing your CT weekly reactions on a daily basis, and making sure that you are tagging your Mosaic videos. Thank you for your time and attention to this introduction to SED 390. Please let me know if you have any questions.